Are you facing, you cannot play with friends or LAN worlds because multiplayer is disabled in Minecraft? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. To fix this, first open Minecraft. Now go to these settings. Then, from the left side, scroll down and find the account option and tap on it. Now click on the Privacy and Online Safety option. It will redirect you to the official Microsoft website. Log in here using the same Microsoft account that you used to play Minecraft. After logging in, scroll down and tap on Xbox and Windows 10 devices Online Safety. Now scroll down and make sure the You Can Join Multiplayer Games option is set to Allow. If you're unable to change this setting, let me know in the comments below. Now click on Submit to save the changes. Now clear Minecraft from the background and reopen the game. Now if I go to play, as you can see, the error message is gone and I can play multiplayer without any problem. So that's how you can fix the multiplayer disabled issue in Minecraft. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.